There's nothing, and I mean nothing, like the sound of raw American power under the hood. That deep growl, that instant torque, that adrenaline rush when you hit the gas and the world just disappears behind you. Today, we're diving straight into the heart of every gearhead's dream, the ultimate guide to buying your dream muscle car. Whether you're chasing the legend of the Mustang, the attitude of the Camaro, or the brute force of a Challenger, this is your roadmap to making that dream a reality. Before we jump into checklists and buying tips, close your eyes for a second. Imagine pulling up in your muscle car, the engine rumbling like thunder, people turning their heads as you roll by. That's not just transportation, that's a statement. And we're about to make sure you buy the right one. Muscle cars aren't just cars, they're personality on wheels. They tell stories, they represent eras, lifestyles, and dreams. The first time you sit behind the wheel of a 1969 Camaro SS or a freshly restored Dodge Charger, you feel it. The history, the craftsmanship, the soul. These cars weren't built for quiet commutes. They were built to roar, to dominate, to make you feel alive. And that's exactly why buying one is such an emotional journey. You're not just buying horsepower, you're buying heritage. All right, let's talk choices. The classics? We're talking about legends like the '67 Shelby GT500, the Pontiac GTO, and the Plymouth Hemi Cuda, cars that define generations. Or maybe you're into modern beasts like the 2025 Mustang Dark Horse, the Camaro ZL1, or the Dodge Challenger Hellcat. Each one offers a unique personality. Old school muscle versus modern muscle. The key is to know your style. Do you want something you can take to weekend shows? Or do you want a daily driver with enough punch to make every commute a joyride? Let that vision guide your search. Now, here's where passion meets practicality. When you're inspecting a muscle car, whether it's from a private seller, dealership, or auction, pay attention to a few critical things. Engine condition, pop that hood. Check for leaks, corrosion, or mismatched parts. A clean engine bay is often a good sign of proper care. Rust inspection. Especially with classics, rust can be a deal breaker. Check door sills, undercarriage, and trunk areas. VIN and history. Always verify the VIN and check the car's history for accidents, restorations, or engine swaps. Originality versus modification. Some buyers crave originality, others love custom builds. Decide what matters most to you. Test drive. This is your moment. Feel the throttle response, the steering, the brakes. Listen for odd noises, but also take in the music of that exhaust note. Remember, muscle cars aren't about perfection. They're about personality. Sometimes that tiny imperfection adds character and tells a story. One of the best parts of buying a muscle car, the chase. Scrolling through listings, visiting garages, meeting other enthusiasts, it's all part of the adventure. You'll find hidden gems where you least expect them. Maybe an old guy down the street has a dusty Chevelle sitting in his barn, just waiting for someone who appreciates it. Be patient, but ready. When the right one comes along, you'll know. That first test drive where your heart skips a beat. That's the moment every car lover lives for. Once you've sealed the deal, the real fun begins, making it yours. Maybe it's restoring the original paint, upgrading the exhaust, or just giving it a name that fits its attitude. Join online forums, local car clubs, and events. The muscle car community is one of the most passionate and welcoming out there. Every car has a story, and every owner adds a new chapter. So, what's your dream muscle car? Is it a roaring Charger, a slick Camaro, or maybe a vintage Mustang? Drop your dream ride in the comments below and tell us why it's the one. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more automotive adventures, and follow us for upcoming videos on muscle car maintenance, customization, and the stories behind these legends. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about owning a muscle car, it's about living the dream every time you hit the road. See you in the next one, and remember, drive it like you mean it.